For Rick the Dawn. We need you.
Yo, what's going on? It's your main man, Rick the Dawn, and boy, do I got a great episode for you because today I was walking through the mall and I found the one pair of Air Jordans I've been looking for the last 10 years. Now, before I show you this amazing pair of artistry, I need you to throw a like on the video. And I was checking out my analytics and I'm finding out that most of the people that watch my videos are like 30, 40, 50, 60, 90, and that's why y'all not liking the video, because maybe y'all so old y'all don't even know how to like the video. So let me show you how to like the video. What I need you to do is grab the mouse. Come on, grandma, grab the mouse. Now when I say the mouse, I don't mean a rodent. It's an actual device that you move around on your screen and you click on stuff. So grab your little mouse. It got a long tail. No, not like that, grandma, not like that. It's a long mouse. It's a mouse with a tail and or cord, because yours probably connected to a desktop. All right, now move the mouse, and it's a cursor. Which you say, no, I ain't say nothing about no curse words. I said it's a cursor. It's like a little point, and you slide it over, and you hit the like button, Grandma. Go ahead and hit it. Go ahead. That means you like me, not like that, Grandma. It just means that you appreciate the content I'm creating. Now throw a like on the video, which old ass. Check this out, man. This is crazy. So your main man was walking through the mall and I saw a little shoe store and I said, I'm just going here to check things out. And I was looking along the wall and I saw the Air Jordan 14 Retro Ferraris. And I said, I've never seen these in person, number one, but let me just see if they have my size. So I'm looking through the little database. They have like these little iPads on the wall. And I look through it, I'm scrolling, and I put my size in, a size 12, and lo and behold, they had them. Check it out, man. I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now. All right, Jesus loves me. This I know. For the Bible tells me so. This is the Air Jordan 14 Retro Ferrari in my size. I can't even believe it. Look, I'm not the kind of person that has to have every pair of Air Jordans. I'm the person that has to have all the pairs that I want. And it was like maybe 4 or 5 that I've been trying to get. Okay, it was the red and black 11s. Got them. It was the black and white 11s. I got them. It was the red and black 12s. Got them. But this is the one I thought I would never get. And now that I got them, there's only one more pair that I haven't got, and that's the black and purple Bugs Bunnies. If I get those, I'm probably never buying another pair of Air Jordans again. But as far as these are concerned, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. That's right. I got everything. Look, the reason I'm going to wear these is because of the suede on the Air Jordan 14. If you know, you know. Well, you're about to find out if you didn't. So I don't want to put any scuff marks on these because Air Jordans with like suede Air Jordans, they just not the best. So I just want to make sure I don't leave any marks and stuff like that. $422. Yes, Lord. All right, here we go, y'all. The Air Jordan 14 Retro Ferraris. Yeah, I got those joints. I can't believe it. All right. Oh my gosh, I got them, man. Wow. Now, before I bought these, there was 2 things I wanted to check. The very first thing was the price. It said $399 plus. I said, what does that mean? Anyway, and the second thing was, are they authentic? So I looked at a ton of fakes. And boy, oh boy, were these real. I could not believe it. What'd that say? Made in China. It don't say that. It don't say it. Hey, yo, this is crazy, B. Let me tell you. Like, I'm telling you right now, your main man is extremely happy right now. This is like the creme de la creme. I thought this would be the hardest pair to find. And I think if it were not for like a resale shop, because that's what it was. It was like a shop in the mall that it's kind of like some of the resale YouTube channels you see. That's pretty much what it was, but it was an actual store. And I just went in there just to see what I could find. So whoever sold these to them, I'm pretty sure they made a profit today, because I think these are running like $294 on StockX or something like that. And retail is probably what, like 200 at the max. So somebody just doubled their money, and I'm happy to have helped them do so, because I really wanted these so bad, but they're always sold out. All right, let's take a look at these though. So I know somebody is trying to see all the details, trying to verify whether or not they're real or fake and all that. I can tell you right now, these is real. They just feel real. All right, I've had these, but not the Ferraris. I had the OGs, the white black and red ones. I had those. And let me tell you, them some cheap shoes. At least the old versions was. So I don't even think it's a big difference from buying them in China or here or whatever. You know what I mean? Them soles look a little like they worn them, like they wore them one time. Stop playing with me. Like they wore them one time just to make sure that it wasn't dreaming. Yeah, they wore these once, bro. Stop playing. I ain't stupid. I know it. You wore them one time, boy. Yes, you did. Stop lying. But it's all good, man. These mugs is crispy. They still got the tags on them. These are the original shoestrings that come with them. If you look, you probably can't see it through the screen, but they have these little engravings on the shoestrings, like Air Jordan signs and symbols. So that's tough. End up paying $422 and some change. Man, I've been trying to get these forever. What's crazy is these mugs go perfectly with what I got on right now. That's the craziest part. So as I grabbed these up, I was walking out, and you know, lately I've been on this little kick in terms of like fragrances. So I said, wow, let me grab a little fragrance real quick. I saw a little fragrance shop, a little cologne shop. So I go inside, and guess what they had? You ain't gonna believe this. They had this right here, bro. They had, what is this? This is called Scuderia Ferrari Red. Let's call it Ferrari Red for this video. So I couldn't believe it. I said, yo, what's going on? And the craziest part is, you ain't gonna even believe it. You're gonna think I'm lying. The craziest part is, when I bought this, I forgot just for a few seconds that I had these. I was just going off of smells. And when I bought it, I was like, oh snap. I just had like a little situation. I got Ferrari cologne with the Ferrari shoe. It was like a complete mistake. I forgot for just a second that I even had these, because I didn't even go to the mall to get these. I just had to get them once I saw them. So, you know, when I bought this, I said, this is a great day, bro. What's going on? Like, so it was crazy. Now, I'm not going to do like a review on this, but what I can tell you is it smelled amazing. And that's what I bought it for. I didn't buy it to match the shoe. I bought it because it smelled amazing. And, you know, I saw it on the shelf. He was trying to show me all these different fragrances. I was smelling them. I'm like, that's kind of cool. But he was like 120. Da, da, da. I'm like, bro, I'm not paying 120 for a cologne I didn't even think I wanted. What's that right there? Like, let me smell that. Because it's a Ferrari symbol on it. So obviously it's quality. And when I smelled it, I said, oh, wow, that smells amazing. How much is that? He said 60. I said, bet, let me get that. And then I thought about it. I'm like, wait a minute. Like, I am making Ferrari slightly happy today. I mean, it's crazy. That is my day in a nutshell. And I want to share one more thing with you. I don't know if you ever thought about this, but these have like a rolling dial on them. They kind of roll like deodorant. And I was thinking, what if I rolled it on my palm and then I rubbed it together, and everything that I touched smelled so amazing? So I'm only sharing that with people because maybe you never even thought about it. Maybe it's a good idea to throw cologne on your palm or perfume on your palm and then rub it in. And everything I touched, myself, my shoes, my bag, everything that I touched within an hour span smelled amazing. And I said, that is something I want to share with people who, you know, are into fragrances, because it's kind of cool. I never thought about it until today. And it's probably something I'm going to start to incorporate in my daily routine in terms of my fragrances. I'm going to probably start spraying my palm, just to, you know, maybe even roll this on the palm. Maybe not spray it, but roll this on my palm, just so that this amazing aroma just spreads around via this contact. So I just wanted to share that with you. It was kind of a random thing, but I just thought it was dope. But if you go to StockX right now, how much are they selling for? Did I get ripped off because I paid $422? It'd be pretty sucky if you can buy them for $300 online. But, you know, I've been hearing some news about StockX. I've been hearing about the fact that they are selling some fakes and stuff like that. These is real. These are authentic. These is so cold, bro. These is so cold, bro. Stop hating, bro. I got these joints, bro. I can't believe it. Anyway, thank you all for watching. It's been good. It's your main man, Rick the Dawn, signing out.